Are we up? Oh, man. You gotta love my internet. Alright, give me a sec. Okay, we are back. Um, so, I mean, I don't know. Okay, I don't know what to talk about. I mean, I have hiccups, so that's fun. Also, it's giving me a tummy ache. I can't even make jokes anymore, bro. The hiccups are cutting me off. Fuck's sake, man. Oh my god. How how am I meant to record a video? Okay, but Jesus Christ. I have hiccups, so that's fun. Um, what was I gonna talk about? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I was gonna talk about like. Oh, this is a pretty cool map. I wanna expand it a bit. So like, sorry. Over there we have the tier list. Go it TNT Run is the best. I made 2 videos on it. Um, you can watch it if you want. And is add like a parkour bit there. So if you want to join, you can. I don't mind. Um, I mean that's it's okay. All it is so far. Um, yeah, gonna call it Diner Tome. I don't know, bro. Shut up. Yeah. Subscribe.